So very good morning to all the dear aspirants. I hope all of you are doing well, staying motivated and preparing well for your upcoming exams. So there was a slight change for today's schedule. So I'm sorry I could not inform you. So generally my classes are at 9 a.m. but for today it's been shifted to 8 a.m. Okay, so please bear with me. And yes, only because the schedule has a bit shifted, right? There are a few changes which has taken place, so that's the reason why. So other times the class will be at 9 a.m. only, okay? And very soon I'll make a video where I'll give a proper routine of my classes. So stay tuned to get the updates. So as we see that we ended yesterday's session with this question, okay? I gave few questions as a homework, so I hope you have done it, okay? So if you have done it, can it start putting down your comments, okay? And we'll move to the next topic for today, that is, we are seeing a similar topic, that is similarity, okay? So out here, what generally we have to do is we have to choose the number, right, which is following this similar sequence, okay? It's the same thing, but just the number series is changing a bit, okay? The way of giving the numbers are changing, okay? So without a further ado, let's start doing all these questions, okay? We'll wait for other candidates as well. Yesterday was a very interesting session, right? Most of the candidates were giving the questions, so the session was really interesting. So due to the time change, I feel that there won't be that much aspirants today, but still those who are here, we will do our best, right? Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start by doing this particular question. So let me solve it for you. Okay, so we can see that it is 1 1 5 2 9, right? And then here we have 7 2 1 3 5. Okay, now similarly we have to find the relation for 1 5 2 9 4 3. Okay, so let's see what's happening out here. Okay. Out here, if I just add the numbers, okay, if I just add the numbers, so I can see that this is 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, right? And this is 1 plus 1 is equal to 7, right? Then this is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, then this is 2 plus 1, and then similarly 9 minus 4. Okay, let's try to follow the same pattern out here, right? So let's see. So if I do 1 plus 6, I'm getting 7, right? So as I see in my options, I see no answers, right? So let me check once what other logic can happen, right? Asha, out here, if we see there are how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 numbers are there, right? And out here, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. Okay, so what we can do is let me take this whole thing as one number, right? So 15 plus 6, if I will do, I will get 21. Acha, yes. I think I've got the answer already. 21 is option number A. Okay, let's check the others, right? In the second position, what we did, we had added plus 1. So this has become 3. Okay. Then at the third portion, what we did, we subtracted 4. So we have got 5. Yes. And in the fourth, we have subtracted, sorry, we have added 1. Right? In last number, what we did, we added 1. Okay, we added 1, so this has become 5. Okay, now the option is not matching. Okay, we'll see. In 3, we are subtracting 4. There we have got. So see, I cannot subtract minus 4 from 3, right? I will get a negative 1, right? So what we can do is we can take a carry from this particular number, right? So I will cut this 5. Okay, just a moment. So I will cut this 5. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, here is 5. So I will cut this 5. This will become 4, and this will get a carry 13, and 13 minus 4 is 9. Acha. So 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 9 is the answer. Okay, I hope you've got the logic. Okay. Okay. So I see no candidates answering. Anyways, we will wait for some time. I'm sure few candidates will appear. Okay, they'll start answering the questions. Okay, this was the first question. Let's go to the next question. So 42, 56, 110 question mark. So what is the answer? So out here, I think I found the logic already. So let's see if this logic works. So this is 7, 6 are 42, and here it is 7, 8 are 56. So I can say that they are shifting 1, right? So similarly here I can say that this is 11, 10s are 110, and out here what will it be? 11 into increase by 2, right? This 6, this 8, it is increased by 2. So if I increase by 2 this as well, so this will become 12. So I'm getting 132 as the answer. Option number C. Okay, I hope it's clear. It's easy. Or we can use another way around. That is, let me show you one more logic out here. So this will be 6 into 7. Then this is 7 into 8. This makes a lot of sense, right? Then this can be 10 into 11. And then 11 into 12. Okay, so this makes a lot of sense, right? And here is the answer, option number C. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Yes, I'm seeing live students are coming up. Okay, we'll wait for some more time. I'm sure all of us will be there. Okay, let's do this question now quickly. 26, 5, then 65 question mark. What will be the answer, right? So if I see closely, this is, I guess, 5 square, right? 5 square is 25, and plus 1 if I'll do, I'll get 26. Acha. And this particular 5 which I squared out here, this as this. Similarly for 65, what can I do? I can say 8 square plus 1, right? And this 8 will sit where? Here. So your answer will be option number C. Okay, easy questions. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay. 2011, 102, other logic we have to find. Acha. From 20 it went to 11, and then from 102, where will it go? Okay, so let's see what logic is following. So out here, check the logic. What is the logic which is following out here? So, okay, let's do this question now. 52, yes, correct. 52 is the correct answer. So, what did you use? You have used the sum of digits. Acha. Okay, let's see. So, I can use one more logic out here. So, suppose this, if I'll do 11 into 2, I will get 22, and then I'll subtract 2, I will get 20. So, I'm getting the answer out here, right? It can be opposite also. You can do 20 divided by 2 is 10, and then plus 1, right? You can do that also, no problem. Okay, so what I'm doing this. Okay, so let's, okay, suppose you use this logic. 20 divided by 2 plus 1 is 11. Okay, similarly, if I do 102 divided by 2, I will get 51, and then plus 1 is 52. Okay, so this is the right option. Chalo, very good. Yes, I can see the students are starting to answer now. Great. Okay, so this is the batch which is going on now, DME 2.0. So if you want to clear the exam of DME, you can kindly enroll to this batch. Okay, so you'll get 60 plus mock tests, right? 5 ebooks. Okay, and then previous year questions of all state government exams, and this will be live classes. Okay, okay. So for details, you can get you can call the contact number which is given below, right? Okay, let's go to this question now. Okay, let's solve this quickly. Tell me the answer. Okay, so to read the comments, I need to use my phone. That's why I'm looking out here. Okay. चलो ठीक है. 378. अच्छा. Logic. So same here, we will use the logic of sum of digits, right? So 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, right? Sum of digits. We have added all these numbers, right? Okay. Similarly here, 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. Acha, 16, 14. Okay, let's check this. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4 is 20, right? Now I can see that this has lowered by 2, right? So even this will get lowered by 2, right? Okay, just a minute. Okay, my dear students, I'm sorry. There was a small issue which took place out here. I hope my video is clear and audible now. Is it okay now? Please give me a thumbs up so that I can know. Okay, so I hope you can hear me now and it's clear, right? Okay, let's go to the next question now. Acha, haan, -2, we could not complete this question, so this will become 18, right? Okay, let's check. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, this cannot be true. 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. Acha, this might be the option. Let's check the other option. Okay, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. Acha, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. And similarly, 9 plus 5 is 14. No. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Take it. So sorry. Yeah, actually, I forgot to switch on the charger. That's why my laptop was lagging a bit, but okay, it happens, right? Okay, I'll keep that in mind for in next time. Okay. Okay, let's do this question now. Question number 6. Okay. Tell me the answers quickly for this question. So now this is a given set. Okay. Based on this set, we need to answer. Okay, the answer must be following the similar set also. Okay, so kindly start answering your answers. Answer this question. Chalo. Okay, I can see comments, right? Okay, should I solve? Okay, because thank you. Okay, let's solve this question. So 17, 27, 5. Acha. Ronnie has answered option number C. Okay, I've got one option answer. Anyone else who wants to answer, right? So out here, if I see, okay, the very basic logic which I'll see is that I can divide all these numbers by 2, right? Acha. Then you might also say that, sir, also we can divide these numbers by 4 as well. So I can say that these numbers can be divided by 2 and 4. 2 and 4, right? 2 and 4, right? No other numbers can divide all these three numbers together. Okay, this 2 and 4 can only divide it, right? So let's see if similar logic follows, right? So no idea, sir. Acha, 17, 27, 5. Okay, now the answers are coming. So out here, this can divide by 5. This also divides by 5. This also divides by 5. Out here, nah. Here, no. So this logic is not following, right? So what we can do is, next option, what we can do is use sum up the digits, okay? 12 plus 20 plus 4. How much will I get? 36, right? Let's check if I get a similar option which has a sum 36, right? So this is 20. This is 13, 18 will be 31 plus 5 is 36. Acha, I've got one option. Let's check the others. 17, 27 will be 44 plus 5 is 49. Acha. And 35, and this cannot be true, right? So answer is option number B. Okay. So things are very similar. Yeah. So things are very easy, but generally what happens is that we try to take it in the next level, right? That I will solve like this. So that's why. So this is an easy question. Okay, I see one more logic which Nehal Day is given, that 27 minus 17 is 10 and divided by 5. Acha, is 2. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure about that logic, but okay. Let's go to the next question now. Okay. Let's solve this question. Chalo. Let's see who can solve this quickly. Answer. Okay. I have already found one answer. 10 by 2 is 5. ठीक है नेहल दे good. Okay. Acha, out here, let's always in given set questions, you must see first that what are the numbers by which you can divide the particular number, okay? And then only you can move forward. So let me check the numbers which can divide, okay? 18 can be divided by 2, it can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 6, right? And it can be divided by 18 itself, right? But I want to stick to the numbers which are lower than 18, right? Acha, it can be divided by 9 also, okay. Now I can see 8, it can be divided by 2, it can be divided by 4, right? And it can be divided by 8 itself. Acha. Next in 2, I can see that this can be divided by 2 only, right? So out here I can see that there's only one number which is common. Okay, so similarly I can see the other pattern here. No, I cannot see a number. Yes, 1 will always be dividing the numbers, okay? So I'm not worried about 1. I can see with the other number. Okay. So here I cannot see any number which can divide all these numbers. Out here also no. Acha, here I can see that 2. This can be divided by 2, right? So this will be the right option. Okay. Bisolar, yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Correct. Okay. Okay. 1793. Okay. If you can tell me the logic, then I will go through it. Okay. But the answer is 24, 22, and 4. Okay. Let's do this question now quickly. Yes, all numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. Okay. Quickly answer this question first. 72, 40, 24. Okay. Let's see what's the logic which is falling out here. So if I see this is 7 into 9, right? 7 9s are 63. Then this is 7 into 7. And this is 7 into 5. Okay, so if you see closely, this is decreasing by 2. See? And the first number is remaining constant. Let's see if similar logic follows in other numbers as well. So out here, if I see this is 8 9s are 8 5s are 8 3s are. So here I can see there is sudden drop of -4. Okay, so no, this is not following the same pattern. Okay, and here it is dropping by 2. Okay, so I'm not sure about this option, so let us leave it as it is. Okay. Now 72. 8 9s are 72. 8 6 are 48. 8 3s are 24. Now if I see here, this is decreasing by -3. This is also decreasing by -3. One thing can be that the numbers are decreasing in the same order, and one thing can be that the numbers are decreasing by -2 only. Okay, out here I can see that -3 decrease, and I'm getting the options. Okay, so this might be the option. Okay, I'm even not sure about this, so I will round it. 64. So here also 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40. Acha, 28 is not there, so this option can be neglected. Okay, daily. If I take 4 16s are, then 4 10s are, and 4 7s are. No, this is not following any proper sequence, right? So ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Okay, this option will be eliminated. Let's see this now. 9 8 9 9s are 81. 9 7s are 63. 9 5s are 45. See, this is following the same sequence, -2 like this. So option D. Okay, I hope it's clear. Yes, very good Nehal. Correct. हाँ ठीक है. Ronnie has rectified. चलो ठीक है. Good. Let's do this question now. Okay, easy question. Solve this quickly. Tell me the answer. 7 5 8 4 5 3 6 2. Similarly, we have to find the logic for 4 6 7 and 3. Okay. Okay. Start putting down the answers. None of these. Acha. Okay, let's check if it is none of these. Okay. So out here, if I see, this can be subtracted. If I subtract -2, I will get 5. Here also, if I subtract -2, I will get 3. Here, if I subtract -2, I'm getting 6. -2. Acha. All are getting subtracted by -2. So let me subtract -2. I will get 2. -2 4. -2 5. -2 1. Acha. 2 4 5 1. This is the option. So see, -2 -2. Correct. It's okay. No problem. Okay. So yesterday also I've said that doing mistake is fine, but not doing it is wrong. Okay. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Yes, correct. 2 4 5 1 is the answer. Okay, let's go to question number 10 now. Solve this. I think you have got the answer already. It's very easy, right? Few questions, right? You don't have to write the logics, even if you have understood it, right? You can directly answer it. ठीक है sir? $65. Yes, correct. So this is what? This is 5 square. This will be what? 6 square plus 1, 37. Similarly, this is 7 square. Then this will be what? 8 square plus 1, that is 65. Correct. Good. Okay, I can see some more students joining and starting to answer. Great. Okay, solve this question now. Let me see who gives the answer. Right? Okay. Okay, let's do. So here I can see this is 0.6 and here I can see that this is 0.006. So I can see that the decimal are increasing by 2, right? So what can be the logic? The logic can be such that this is 0.16, right? So if you want to convert a decimal number to a fraction number, what you can do is this particular number you can write it at the top and then you have to divide by how much. So after decimal I can see there are two numbers, so you put two zeros and a 1. Okay, that means 16 by 100 is getting converted to this particular thing, that is 16 divided by, after decimal how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4, 10,000, right? Similarly, if it is 102 divided by 100, right, two numbers, so two zeros, then this will get converted by 102 divided by 10,000, right? Now you have to put the zeros, so as many zeros are there, you put it in front, right? And then 102. Now your decimal is always here, right? Now you have to shift it. When you divide, you shift the decimal at front, and when you multiply, you decide the decimal behind, right? So out here the decimal goes front. How many place? So 4 zeros are there, so 4 place. 1 2 3 4, this. So 0.0102 is your answer, option number A. Okay, this was not it was not required for me to explain it so much, but I explain it because some, I have to understand it, right? So 0.0102 is correct answer. Great, great. Let's solve this question quickly. 99999. Okay, I've already got one answer, option number C. Let's check what's the logic which is going on out here. Okay, so here I can see 9, here I can see 80. So I might say that this is 9 into 10, 90, and then minus 10 if I'll do, I'm getting 80, right? So similarly here, 100 into 10 minus 10, right? So 100 into 10 is 1000, and if you'll, sorry, 100 into, next number will be what? So next number, if I do 10 and then I subtract 10, so this is 1000 minus 10, so I'm getting 990. So this I cannot see the option. So what is the other option, other logic which is going on out here? Tell me the answer. 100 into 10 minus 1. Acha. 100 into 10 minus 1. 100 into 10 minus 1, so it's 999, na? Not 4 nines. Tell me the logic. बताओगे लॉजिक? Okay. Acha, chalo. I can see one more logic out here. That is, if I square this 9 and then subtract 1, this is 80. Similarly, if I do 100 square and then I subtract how much from it? Yes, 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 yes. That is the answer. This is 999. Okay? Chalo, let's go to the next question now. Okay? I hope it's clear. 1099. Acha. Okay? Yes, yes, correct, correct. Okay, okay, great, great. Acha, this is easy. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do this one. Quickly answer. Okay, so today we'll be doing a word analogy as well. Okay, so let us quickly increase our pace, right? Yes, very good. Very good. I can see great answers coming up. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, let's do this question now. Quickly answer the question. So 248. Okay, 248 is the correct answer. Very good, very good. Great. Great, great. So if I'll tell you the logic, so I can see that this is very close to 13 square. Okay. Yesterday I told you that you must remember the square. Okay. So if I see this closely, this is 13 square. 13 square is 169, right? And then if I subtract minus 20 from it, I will get 149. Okay. This might be, let's check the other one. This 238. So this is very close to 16 square. Okay, 16 square is 256. And then if I decrease it by how much? 20, it becomes 236. Acha, but here is 238. So I have to increase this by 8, right? And decrease this by 1. So that time this will become how much? 238, right? We take carry 238, so minus 18. Okay, so I've got the clue that from 20 it is decreasing by 2 and this has become 18, right? So similarly 159 is a very close square to which number? सर अब अड्डा में न्यू टीचर हो क्या? हाँ जी, मैं नया हूँ. So I have joined recently, ठीक है? Okay, so out here what will happen? So 13 square minus 10 if I'll do, I will get 159. And then out here what will I do? 16 square minus decrease by 2, 8. Right? So this will give you the answer 248. Okay? 256 minus 8 will be 248. So I hope it's clear. Okay. Let's go to the next question now quickly. Acha, this is easy. Okay, do this. Which number is like the given set of numbers? Solve this. अच्छा नेहाल, मेरे क्लास का टाइमिंग जनरली 9 AM होती है, ठीक है, जिसमें मैं रीजनिंग पढ़ाता हूँ. I teach reasoning at this time, but just today the time has shifted a bit earlier, okay, because of some technical issues, right? Some class issues, because paid batch and online batch were coinciding, right? So due to that, the class has been shifted for today. Other days, the class will remain at the same time. And maybe from the next week, I'll have 3 classes aligned, that is 7 AM, 9 AM, and then 12 PM, right? In 7 AM, I'll be teaching GKGS, okay? 9 AM reasoning, and 12 PM I'll be teaching you maths. Okay, so this routine will soon be coming. So as the notification comes, I'll surely inform you all. Okay, and I hope you'll be there. Okay, so tell me the answer. Yes, 9 AM sharp. Yes. Okay, so 3, 17, 31. Acha. Any logics that you can see which is following out here? GK, I'll be taking the classes of both current affairs and static GK as well. Okay, we'll go topic wise. Okay, so I'm not sure if they'll assign me of the about the country, or they'll assign me about the particular state. Okay, so that I'll come to know later on. Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning. 49. Arey, this question is very easy. Okay, you're not thinking as you should think. देखो 3, 17, 31. What are these? These are your prime numbers, na? First priority list I've given that first priority will be given to prime numbers, right? So out here, which one is prime number? 5 is the prime number. This is the option. Okay. Okay. Acha, solve this question quickly. Okay, so this is an easy question, I guess, right? What's happening out here? See, this is 12 into 2, 24 into 2, right? So similarly, which is the option which is following the same sequence? Into 2, 22, wrong. Into 2, 22, and into 2 should be 44, not 46, wrong. Into 2, into 2, this is making sense. So option C is correct answer. We will not check D and waste time. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Okay. Okay, let's solve this quickly. Sir, first day in your class. Okay. मेरा प्यारा भारत. If you'll do the class, I'm sure you will learn a lot, and it'll be a fun class for you as well. So kindly stay aligned, okay, for the classes, and also give me the feedback, like if you're liking the class or not. Okay, so let us quickly solve this question. Solve this quickly. I hope you have got the answer. Correct. 712 is the right option. 328. मेरा प्यारा भारत कैसे 328 है? Okay, so let's solve it, right? So out here in these questions, always try to use the sum of digit method, right? So 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, right? 7 plus 2, 9 plus 5 is 14, okay? 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Then what will be the next number? See, it is decreasing by 2. So here also it should decrease by 2 and I should get 10, right? So add the options and check. 5 plus 8 is 13, wrong. 7, 1, 8, 2 is 10. ये हो सकता है. Let's check the other. 8, 2, 10, 13, wrong. 9, 1, 10, 12, wrong. So this is the option. 7, 1, 2. Correct. जी. Okay, Ronnie. I'll cover the static GK portion first, right? Okay, let's do this question now. Last question of number series. Number analogy, I'm sorry, not number series. Yeah, you can say it's kind of number series only. Yes, Parismita, correct. Great. Okay, let's do this question quickly. Sir, don't you think so? You look like actor Mahir Pandir. I'm not sure about who that actor is. I'll surely Google it and I will verify and I will let you know in the next class, right? If I look similar to that or not. Okay, for now, kindly solve this question quickly. We need to go to letter analogy after this, right? $572. Ronnie must be using very high level logics. Eh? But if I'll solve this question, no, like you'll literally be laughing at me. See, this question is very easy. You just have to see the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. But you have to put 0 and 1 you have to remove. Option number B is the answer. Okay. Correct, 460, right? So very good. Ronnie must be using very high level of logics, right? So, okay, the questions are quite easy, the easier than you can expect, right? Okay, let's go to letter analogy now. So, generally in letter analogy, the first thing you must do is you must memorize the alphabets numbers, right? So, generally you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, right? So you must remember the letter numbers, right? A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8, I is 9, J is 10, K is 11, L is 12, and so on, right? M is 13, right? So you try to write down this alphabets 3-4 times, okay, and then you try to number them, right? And after some time, when you are a bit confident, you can jumble the numbers and you can write down the numbers, right? Suppose if I ask what is the number for Q, then you should be as such that you can directly answer that, sir, the number will be 7 for Q, okay? The letter number is 17, right? Okay, okay. I will surely verify it and then I'll come back to this thing in the next class, right? So now we must remember the numbers of the letters, right? And also the opposite letters, right? Like if I remove all this, okay, let me give you an example. Opposite letters are very important, okay? So suppose I'm writing it here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. This is a set of 13 letters, right? In English alphabet, there are 26 alphabets, right? So 13 ho gaya, remaining 13 will be in the opposite direction, okay? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, right? So A's opposite is Z, B's opposite is Y, C's opposite is X, and so on, right? So for opposite letters, no, what I want you to do is you need not remember whose opposite is who, okay? That you can directly get it by doing something really cool, okay? I'm explaining now. Before that, you must memorize the numbers of the letters. This is very important, okay? First thing to do is memorize the numbers of the letters, right? And next, how to find opposite, I'll tell you a trick, okay? Okay, now see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, right? Now we know total alphabets is 27, okay? So what you have to do is, to get the opposite of A is number one letter, you subtract this particular letter by 27. So 27 minus 1 will be what? 26, and 26th letter is Z. See, easy to get the opposite letters. Right? Suppose examiners ask you, what is the opposite letter of I, right? So first thing, if you'll do A, B, C, D, and all that, it'll take a lot of time, right? Next thing to do is, you know the letter number, right? You just subtract 27 from it, okay? What you will get? You will get 18. 18 is what? R, right? So try to memorize the numbers for the letters, right? Okay. Okay. So 18 number letter is R. I hope it's clear. Now similarly, suppose someone has asked you opposite of M. So we know M is 13, subtract by 27, I'm getting 14. 14 number letter is N, right? So this is how you will gain the speed once you practice, okay? I would not suggest you to memorize like a child, like we used to memorize when we were in school days, right? A1, B2, C. Nah, you do one thing, you solve a lot of questions, and once you do it, right, the letters will automatically be memorized by you, right? So this is the few points which we must take care of while solving letter analogy. And also I'll give you few tricks by which we can solve the question. So this is the first question. Tell me the answer. Is very easy question out here. Solve. Hoy Horlicks. Notune hoy baro moi. So class ko uthai tumi gom paba. The it'll surely help you. So out here, tell me the answer. No, I'm not from Dhubri. I stay in Guwahati only. Okay, I'm not from Dhubri. Okay, JQ. अच्छा JQ और IQ या WQ. Option तो JQ है ही नहीं, right? So see, it is a very easy question. Okay, how to solve? So see, E, F, G, and then H, right? Similarly, D, E, F, and then G, right? Where is G? Only one option I can see. So option C will be the right answer. Let's check for the other also. Okay. Now here I'm drawing the arrow also. It's going in forward direction, right? Now this out here is going in the backward direction. See, J, K, L, right? Similarly, I would say that it will be W, X, and then Y. Okay. So you will search in YouTube. These questions are solved by using the numbers of the letters, but I would not prefer that because it takes a lot of time, because in exam, right, it's all jumbled and you're in pressure. So you tend to forget the numbers of the letters, okay? Even if you have practiced a lot. So in such cases, it's better that you read out E, F, G, H like that, right? Instead of wasting 30 seconds, you'll be saving at least 10 seconds by doing that, right? Okay. Let's go to the next question. Acha, okay, this is actually word analogy. It should not be there, but okay, as it has come, let us answer this. Correct, GW is the right answer. Sir, DME 2008 poster exam, ketya hobo? The exam, I think it should be in this coming 2 months, okay? So one batch is going on, DME 2.0. So তুমি এটা কাম কৰিব পাৰা, তুমি তাত এনৰোল হৈ যোৱা, ঠিক আছে? এই কোড পাবা, আড্ডা এপত পাবা, ঠিক আছে? আড্ডা এপ ডাউনলোড কৰিবা, ওকে? সেই তাতে তোমাৰ লোকেশ্যনটো নৰ্থ ইষ্ট হ'লে সি নিজে আহি যাব, এই বেচটো ওলাই আহিব। ইউ কেন জইন দেট বেচ এণ্ড দেন ইউল গেট অল দ্য ডিটেইলছ, ঠিক আছে? আৰু এনে তুমি চেনেলটো চাব পাৰা, এই DMEৰ আপডেট বাৰে বেলেগ ফেকাল্টিজবিলাকে ধুনীয়াকৈ তোমাৰ ভিডিঅ'জ বনাইছে। চ' where they have mentioned the expected date. Actual date এতিয়ালৈ অহা নাই, so expected date to আহিব very soon, the exam, so you can look to it, okay? Acha, iska what will be the answer for this? Conductor bus. Acha. Now see, opera. I hope you know what is an opera. It is a big hall, okay, where people comes, right? They see someone dances out here, like that, right? Okay, so in opera, who performs actually? The performance is given by the divas, right? Who performs? Okay. In theater, who performs? Obviously not the producer, right? Producer produces. In drama, who performs? Director? No, right? Actor and actresses. So this is also wrong. In bus, who performs the need, right? Now performs will be in bus. It should be driving. Who drives the bus? Conductor. Does conductor drive the bus? No, right? Conductor's work is to just guide the bus driver. So answer is this. Play is thespian. What is thespian? Thespians are your actor and actresses. Okay? Actor and actresses. So generally in a word analogy, your vocabs should be decent. Okay? It should be decent. Okay? I'm not asking you that you should be extremely excellent on vocabs. Okay? ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. Okay? No one is that excellent. But it should be decent. मतलब हाँ थोड़ा idea होना चाहिए. See, from here also, if you don't know what's the meaning of thespian, by eliminating the options also you can answer this, right? So that's why this is known as logical reasoning. Okay, there is a reason for that. So I hope it's clear. ठीक है? Bus conductor नहीं होगा ना? Bus is not driven by the conductor. Bus is driven by the driver, right? Play is acted by your thespians. Thespians are your actor and actresses. ठीक है? Okay. Okay, come back to this. Let's solve this question. Tell me the answer. So all of down Okay. Sorry. I will take care of that. ठीक है sir? Okay, and I will use other color. Okay, color কানে হ'ব পাৰে যে তুমি ভালকে দেখি পোৱা নাই. Okay, I'll take care of that. DME, Directorate of Medical Education. Okay, so it is a branch, okay? So government organization it is. Okay, let's answer this particular question now. Okay, so generally the exam you will be appearing in DME will be for general entries. ठीक है? General entries के लिए होता है exam. So use reading. Okay. I'll use reading for sure. Okay. RJIQ. Okay. RJIQ. Similarly, DH. And what will be the answer? Tell me. WS? WS is the right answer, I guess. Let me check. Okay, got the answer? Tell me the logic. Okay, I'm getting quite many answers now. Opposite letters, yes, correct. Okay, these are the opposite letters. So what is the number of R? R is 18, okay. R's opposite will be 27 minus 18, which is nothing but 9. Yes, I is 9 letter. Similarly 9, right? Oh, sorry, this is J. Okay, so J is your 10. 10's opposite will be 17, right? Similarly, for the opposite letter will be 23, right? Which is what? W, right? And so on. So W option is this, so WS is the answer. Okay, so opposite letters, correct, very good. Okay, now let's do this question. Solve this quickly. Tell me the answer. So quickly, tell me the answer of this. VOSP. Acha. Same logic, opposite letters, right? See, A's opposite is Z, right? C opposite is X, F opposite is U, J opposite is Q. Similarly, E's opposite will be V, okay? L opposite will be O, right? So L, M, N, O, it goes like this. So L opposite is O, right? So VO, this option, okay? You don't have to solve for all. First two alphabets that you have got, right? And if you see that there is already an option, you just tick that and you can move on, okay? You don't have to waste time to check all. Okay, now do this. Fast. Yes, correct. VOSP is the answer. Correct. Now Thang. Okay, now Thang, I can see. He was attending the class yesterday. Today the class has, it was pre-scheduled to 8 a.m. Okay, 1 hour before. So I'm sure you was unaware. Okay, let's do this quickly. So I can see here from S it is going to T. RST, right? RST. NO. Okay, JK is going in the reverse way, right? So you have to find the previous letter of particular numbers. So before L, what can we see? Yes. No, it is K, na? JKL, right? And then out here, what will it be? So A. You see, sir, before A there is no letter. Yes, so you can encircle it. Okay? Z, A के पहले में Z हो जाएगा, right? Because last letter is Z, so before A, Z will come. KZ, only one option I can see. KZ is the right option. Correct. Karan Johar. Okay. MTS. अच्छा, MTS कैसे आ रहा है? LM. अच्छा, you did like that. अच्छा. Opposite नहीं है ना? This is not opposite. Okay. It is going one step behind, right? Oof. कोई बात नहीं. Okay, numbers we have done. Okay, do this now. Let's do this. Yes, KZO is the right answer. KZO, right? Okay. Let's do question number 7 quickly. Tell me the answer fast. Yes, KZO, correct. নহয় তোমাৰ চাগে দুটা correct হৈছে নেকি আগতে এটা answer দিছিলা তুমি correct আছিলে okay let's do this question now so P 21 J 28 similarly G 19 dash dash okay let's see the first logic now R34 C56 wow Acha, there's one more thing that I forgot to mention. You must remember one small thing. Let me explain it. This E, Jo, T. Okay. So you will say, so what is this? So generally your E is fifth number alphabet, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20, and Y is 25. Now, why do we need this? Okay. Suppose this is only for those who are struggling to remember the alphabets, okay? Alphabet numbers who are struggling to remember. So you can use this trick for now, but you must remember the alphabet numbers, okay? Now see, P is close to which one? P is closer to O, right? Now I can say that after O comes P, right? So what will be the number for P? So O is 15, next will be P, so plus 1 is 16. Like that you can take out the numbers by using this EJOT. Okay, that was clear. Just that you have to make sure that what are the letters which comes between EJ, JO, OT, TY and so on. In front is ABCD and I'm sure that you remember the numbers of ABCD. Okay, I'm talking about the other letters. Now see out here P's number is 16. How did I came out to know? Because after O, P comes and this is plus 1, so this will become 16. Right, so this is only for those who are struggling to memorize the numbers of alphabet. Right, now see J, E Jo T, J is 10, write 10 out here. Right, yes, A20 hoy, yes, Parismita, absolutely correct. So yate ki hoy ase, yate minus 6 hoy ase, aru yate ki hoy ase, yate plus 7 hoy ase. Right, acha, G, E, F, G, matlab 2 letter aage gaya, to 5 plus 2 is 7. See, easy, right? This is how we use this EJOT to get the numbers of the alphabet, right? अच्छा यहाँ से -6 जाऊंगा तो हो जाएगा 1 and first letter is what? A, right? And out here if I do plus 7 this will become 26. So A26 is the right answer, option number A. A26, right? Not 27. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's do this question. This is the last question for the day. And then we'll take a leave for the day. We'll end the day by saying goodbyes. Okay. Tell me the answer of this. Washington. Correct. Okay. Easy question, right? So generally what's happening in this particular question is that they are asking you to tell the capital. Okay. Capital of the certain country. Afghanistan capital is Kabul. USA's capital is Washington. But you must know the other capitals also. So let me just tell you. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Okay. Russia का capital है Moscow. Okay. France's capital is Paris. Okay. In few videos I hope if you have seen movies, so they use Paris, not Paris. Okay. Paris. Okay. France's capital is Paris, right? Denmark's capital is what? Copenhagen. Okay. Copenhagen. Boys will be familiar with this term, I guess. Copenhagen, right? Okay. Washington, USA's capital. Madrid is of Spain. Spain's capital is Madrid. Okay. So we will surely come to this class also in GK GS when I'll be teaching static GK. Okay. So there is a topic which is countries and the capitals. So there we'll learn all this. Okay. And I'll bring you cool trick to memorize it also. Right. So Copenhagen. Yes, Copenhagen. Correct. Acha. Okay, great. Madrid, Nadal, Copenhagen. Okay. So, okay, tell me this answer. This is very easy question. Last question of the day. Then we'll end the class out here. Right? Okay, great. I can see a lot of answers now. Actually, if I would have kept the slot at 9 a.m., right? We could have seen more participants to answer the question and make the session more interesting, right? But unfortunately, the class was pre-scheduled to 8 a.m. for today. So now the students are coming up, right? The last class, the students who were there, they are coming up now. Acha, option number C, very easy question. Yes. So C is the correct option, okay? By reading, we gain knowledge, right? Similarly, by working, we'll gain experience, right? By work, see the options also. So this is very easy question. You can neglect the options. By work, what do you gain? Do you gain engagement? No, right? That is just a certificate to showcase to the others that I have worked, so we can engage. We can go and engage, right? Then by working, we do not gain employment, okay? We are getting employment, right? So this is also wrong. And by work, we don't work for experiment, right? So this answer will be experience. So I hope you like the class, you like the session, right? So kindly thumbs up the session and I'll see you tomorrow. So tomorrow the classes will be at 9 a.m. okay? And if you want, you can go to this Adda Northeast, right? Adda Northeast YouTube page, okay? And there, if you'll see, my class schedules are always there, okay? I generally upload the class schedule for the next 3 classes. So there the timing is also mentioned. So what you can do is you can go there and then you can press notify me, so that whenever my classes will come, right, you will be notified. Okay, you'll get a notification that my classes have started, and so you can come up. So thank you all. I hope you like this session. Okay, you can comment below the level of the questions which I'm taking. If it's too easy, then you can say that, sir, please increase the level of the questions. If it's in the medium range, then you can say that it's okay, sir. And if it's difficult for you, then you can say that, sir, please lower down the level of the questions. Okay, so next class, I have a lot of great questions for you. Okay, so this will be doing in the next class. So you can click this picture. This is a homework for you. Okay, you can screenshot this, right? These 2 questions are homework, so kindly solve them and then comment down below the answers. So this is actually word analogy that we are doing. So we are done with number analogy. Okay, number analogy we have done, right? Today we have done letter analogy. Okay, few more questions are there in letter analogy we will solve in the next class. Okay, and then we have word analogy. Okay, word analogy is very important. This is generally GK GS based. Okay, like here, so you can see this is totally general knowledge based, right? In Karnataka gold, so Madhya Pradesh what is famous, right? And so on. So yes, my name is Subhankar Nongsil. Okay, so I was born and brought up in Shillong, and I have shifted to Guwahati, right? And I can speak 3 languages: Assamese, Khasi, Bengali, right? So this is, yes, Subhankar. Okay, it's Subhankar actually, but you can pronounce it as Subhankar. Okay, so likhabur all of dangor rakhibo. Yes, sure, Nehal, I'll keep that in mind. I hope this much this proportion of my letters is fine, right? So sir, I thought it's okay. So okay, we'll end the class here. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class. So stay motivated, study hard, okay? Keep doing well, keep excelling in your life, okay? Thank you all.